Today, I'm going to show you how to set up notification settings on Upwork. This is essential for managing how and when you receive updates about messages, job postings, and other important activities on the platform. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Upwork dashboard where you can access all the main features of the platform. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive page where you can manage various aspects of your Upwork account. Once you're in the Account Settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a list of different settings categories. Click on Notification Settings. This is the central hub where you can customize how Upwork communicates with you, ensuring you stay informed without being overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. Inside the notification settings, you'll notice several choices available to you. These include options for messages, email updates, and tax settings, among others. Each category controls a different type of communication or alert you might receive from Upwork. If you want to set up specific notification preferences, look for the drop-down menu next to each setting. Click on the drop-down menu to reveal the available options. Select your preferred option from the list that appears. This allows you to fine-tune exactly how you want to be notified for each type of activity. You might choose to receive instant notifications for some things while turning others off completely. Alternatively, if you want to manage your email preferences more broadly, click on Email Updates in the top menu. This section gives you a different view of your notification settings, specifically focused on what gets sent to your email inbox. Here you'll see various notification options laid out with checkboxes beside them. If you want to turn off any particular notification, simply uncheck the box beside every option you want to disable. This gives you quick control over reducing email clutter while keeping the notifications that matter most to you active. And that's it. You've now customized your Upwork notification settings to match your preferences, helping you stay organized and focused on what matters. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.